Okay.
Hello everyone. So welcome back to another video. So today we are going to Athirapally and we heard that it's closed, but still we'll go there, and main target is to go to a hotel or restaurant there. From there we'll get the view of Athirapally. So that's what today's trip is all about. So let's come along and go with us.
Each say hi. Guys, you can see there is only 2 petrol pumps. We start from Chalakudi to Athirapally. If anyone wants to go to Valpara, kindly fuel it up because you don't get a petrol pump towards after Athirapally. So there's a ticket counter for Athirapally Waterfalls, and I will show you the details, price details. So look at this. Ticket issued timing is there from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and adults are 40, children's above 5 to 15 is 5 rupees. Okay, so camera charges, video charges, they have been highlighted here, and I would suggest you guys always carry cash because these places don't accept cards due to various reasons, like due to net issues, due to signals, because it's a forest. So always carry cash. You guys are from here, you guys plans for Valpara also, so it helps you because here sometimes Google Pay, Phone Pay doesn't work here, network issues here. We have the ticket here. Thank you, sir. And this is the ticket. Adults, it's charged for 3 120, and for vehicle 20 rupees. For Ethan there is no ticket. View here.
The cheaper first. And we are having food now here, paratha and curry. It's nice. Done.
And Ethan is having ice cream here, and he wants to mobile doubling Ashik. See this view. And we'll go to Athirapally now, and this is the view from the hotel. The hotel view, and I can see Athirapally. So finally we reach Athirapally. So Ethan is so excited to see. We have bought Ethan when he was small, maybe 2 years. Now he's going to be 4.5 years, so he'll be excited. So let me show the way. See, this is from towards Valpara, and this we came from Chalakudi. and I can show you a few places. If you come here, you can visit this place. It's a nice place. To reach Valparai, it takes almost a 1.5 hour. It's a completely tropical forest, it is, and it's such a beautiful place. So come first, let's go to Athirapally and see how it is. Almost to reach the waterfalls. So left side there are restrooms for men's and women's. There are good facilities been done here, and they're maintaining it well. And there are small shops, there are ice cream parlors. It's a good. People be always, guys, be very careful with monkeys here. So always carry your food items in your bag. So don't ever take it out, because there are a lot of monkeys here. So they will try to snatch it and go. So always be careful. So this is the way to the waterfalls down. The way to waterfalls down, but we'll go after this. Once we go there, and we'll go back again. To see the view of waterfalls, you have to go down, so it will take maybe 15 minutes. Just go.
Action.
Yeah. See you. Here's view. Let's go closer.
So guys, now it looks like I am inside a forest. No, I am in Athirapally Waterfalls. So we have come here, and we have come down the waterfalls, not above. So this is the place now most of them started visiting. Yeah, and it's very nice. So let's go and check it out. Come on.
So finally we reach to the waterfalls. And if you talk about this place, this river is called as Chalakudi River, and the Height of this waterfalls is 82 feet and the width is 330. It's not only about the waterfalls surrounded by, and you can talk about more of wildlife, and there are a lot of elephants, tigers and Indian leopards. And to talk about very it's not only about the wild animals, you can see a lot of birds. And if I want to tell particular birds like Malabar hornbill and Indian grey hornbill, and there are 85 species of freshwater fishes among this. Let's go. Up now. Don't try now. We are going above. We're going above. We have to climb the steep. Look at this. Let's go above now. Let's walk. So now we are planning to go towards Valpara. We're not sure we might go to Valpara because it's too late now. And I love to drive this road because it's a tropical forest. It will rain in after 30 to 40 kilometers. You can see there will be a rainfall towards this place. And if you're good lucky, you can see some wild animals. Come, let's go have some fun this way. So now we reach to Vazhachal checkpost, and this is the Kerala checkpost, and from here it takes 1.5 to 2 hours drive to Valpara, and that's the Tamil Nadu border. And they give you a pass. I'll show you the pass. See, this is the pass, and they write the details of your vehicle and in time, and there is a out time. So you have to go. So they give you almost like 2 hours to reach 84 kilometers, 84 to 85 kilometers. So you have to reach on time. If you delay by 30 minutes or 40 minutes of the time given, they would definitely charge you at the checkpost. And on the way, we are so lucky to see a wild elephants. There are a group of elephants, almost 6 to 8 elephants we could see. Few people stopped the car and got down to see elephants. So you're getting good? Really nice meat. now we are going back to Chalakodi because it's going to be a heavy rain. You can see rain is coming towards us. And here you see.
You don't stop anywhere, even if I will turn off your.